I'd like to show you how easy it is to use Snore Calm chin-up strips. It's really important that your face should be clean and dry before putting on a chin-up strip. You may think this odd, but it's worthwhile putting a little bit of vaseline around your face before you put on your chin-up strip. Rub it in well and then wipe off any excess with a tissue. It will make removing the chin-up strip that much easier in the morning. First you need to remove the chin-up strip from the backing paper. Let's try to avoid touching the strip as much as you can. These tabs go on the cheeks and this part here goes beneath the lower lip to hold the chin up, like this. It's now very, very, very difficult to speak. Just right. As an alternative to the way it describes it in the instructions, you can put the lower part on first and then lift the tabs up onto your cheeks last, like this. No, it's very difficult to speak.